Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're going to talk about when you start a printer. You got this nice 031004. It usually means the printer thinks the printhead is too hot, too cold, so it went to protective mode. Of course, this can cause by you did not plug in the FFC, there's dirt on the FFC cables, or you have a bad mainboard. However, if it is this sensor failed on your printhead, luckily, for the ET-8550 and XP600, this sensor is very easy to access. We're going to remove the 4 screws around the printhead, and then we can take the printhead core off. This printhead has been waterproofed, and you can see the white seal around it. We're going to put our razor blade underneath the board and then peel it up. Point those 2 solid columns doesn't have a hole in the middle, point them down. And on the top, you're going to have 4 columns, all have holes in the middle. And this sensor is on very left. Right, so the solid column is towards us, and the sensor is right here. And then we're going to do a quick check-in on it. The reading should be around 10K, and this is off the chart, so we're going to take it off. So we're going to add a little bit more solder, and then the whole thing can be removed. It is already removed, and the whole thing is stick on my solder iron. And a little bit of flux. And clean up the remaining solder with solder wick. Here, so we need a replacement. We go to BCH Technologies.com and search for ET-8550 and THM. And it's this printhead temperature sensor. We're going to add a little bit of solder to our soldering iron. And we're going to put a solder on one side of the board. Now we remove the sensor. We're going to touch the side that we pre-soldered. You may also use the tweezer to push it towards the solder. Then gently touch the other side. The whole thing will be soldered on. And then we do a check number 1. Make sure it's around 10K. We'll clean it up because this is custom repair. You want to look good. For the final check, use the 1 probe on the bottom, another probe touch the brass checkpoints, and you might call this final check. Alright, start up okay. Didn't shut down properly. Of course it didn't shut down properly because the printhead was bad. So now we got a new printhead. Let's see. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please visit us at bchtechnologies.com or locally, Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.